In the evolving landscape of modern warfare, a new ally is taking to the skies, the loyal Wingman drone. These unmanned aerial systems are redefining how air forces conduct missions, blending advanced technology with human ingenuity to achieve unparalleled tactical advantages. The concept of the loyal Wingman is simple yet transformative. These drones act as force multipliers, flying alongside manned fighter jets to enhance mission effectiveness. Controlled by pilots or operating autonomously, they can perform a range of critical roles, from reconnaissance and electronic warfare to precision strikes. By taking on high-risk tasks, these drones protect human pilots and extend the capabilities of manned aircraft. What makes loyal Wingman drones revolutionary is their versatility and cost-effectiveness. Unlike traditional fighter jets, these drones are designed to be more affordable, allowing air forces to deploy them in greater numbers. Equipped with artificial intelligence, they can independently assess threats, adapt to changing scenarios, and coordinate with manned aircraft in real time, creating a seamless partnership between man and machine. Their design emphasizes modularity, enabling quick reconfiguration for specific mission requirements. Need to jam enemy radar? Equip a Wingman with electronic warfare systems. Need to strike a high-value target? Load it with precision munitions. This adaptability makes them indispensable in modern air combat. As nations race to develop their loyal Wingman programs, these drones are becoming key assets in maintaining air superiority. They not only enhance mission survivability, but also open the door to new tactical possibilities such as overwhelming enemy defenses, with swarms of drones or conducting operations in contested environments without risking human lives. The rise of loyal Wingman drones marks a turning point in Air Force tactics, where human ingenuity and cutting-edge technology converge to shape the future of aerial warfare.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.